welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well and having a good day. If you're new here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, decluttering, organising, motherhood and all that kind of stuff really. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. In today's video I'm bringing you an overdue office tour. Now I totally forgot that I promised you guys an office tour and a office update actually from the time that we did our office about a month ago. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description box below and I'll add it to the card just above here as well, so you can pop over and have a look at that. So today's video is an office tour and an office update. The office is now complete, yay! Having saying that, there are one or two items that I still need to get, but I'm waiting for the shops to open and everything to sort of calm down a little bit. So I'm just gonna take you around and show you the updates first, and then I'll take you on a little tour just showing you some of the items that I've picked up from various different stores to give you some inspiration. So as you come in, you are faced with this lovely window decoration. This is the window box decoration that I did over Easter, and I've just popped it in my office and it sits so nicely on the windowsill there. Then I have these voile curtains which I picked up in TK Maxx. You can see on the, I hope you can see this on the camera, but it's got like little pleats in there and the curtain is so long it drops right down to the floor. They come in a pair and I can't actually wait for HomeSense and TK Maxx to be open, to be fair, because there is quite there is like one or two items that I need to get for our house. Then over here I have this hanging vase. It's totally gone out of my mind what you call these. And this is from Primark. This is on one of my first ever Primark hauls that I've done on my YouTube channel. I never used it around the house, so it looks absolutely beautiful. And again, I can't wait for Primark to open as well, just to get in there and just have a little browse at what they've got for, you know, spring and summer really. It's been a while, so yeah. Just coming over to here, you would have seen me on the last video styling this shelf. So I've finished styling the shelf. I've got all my books up there. You would have seen me also spray painting these boxes. These were like a light blue colour. Sprayed them black, but they're coming out charcoal grey, which is absolutely fine. Then just coming down the shelf, you would have seen on my homeware haul, I'll link that in the description box below as well if you haven't seen it. I got this in Primark also. It's a wooden cutout sign that says calm. So we all need a bit of that at the minute, don't we? Coming over to here, I have my calendar, which I picked up in Poundland. I've had this for about 2 years, I think, from Poundland. Then I have my faux flower from TK Maxx, HomeSense. Okay, so then I've got this vintage style vase that I picked up in Poundland. This is also on the homeware haul. Actually, it's not a vase, it's actually a jar, but I've made it into a vase, just putting the flowers in there like that. And then just coming down the shelf here, I've got some storage boxes. This one was actually a gift from my husband and little Oakley for Mother's Day a couple of Mother's Day ago, and I think this one was from Home Bargain. This one came from Poundland. It came in a set with this one as well, the black and white one. Then I've got some just magazine files here. These are also from Poundland, and then these ones here on the side are from IKEA. I just love this shelf area. I just like how everything is in order. This I got from the works. It's like you've got little note pads at the top there, and you've got like a little drawer that you can put like little bits in. So I tend to put like USB sticks, memory cards and all that kind of stuff in there. Then I just got this basket. This is from Pound Stretcher, and I use this to put all our post in. So that just sits here in the corner. I also got this in Pound Stretcher. I've had this for a while actually, but now I can use it on my office door. When I'm doing filming, I put it on the door and I know that I'm filming. So it says do not disturb. Really love that. At the very top of this shelf here, I've just got a storage box here. What I've got in there is I've got some homeware items in there that I need to sort out. These black and white boxes were from a shop that's actually closed down a while back now. The shop was called Store 21, and they've got all these nice boxes and stationery, but they closed down. Then I've got my little radio. You know, I've had this for a while as well, but it still works. It works fine, you know, so I'll just have it up there as a sort of decorative item. Okay, so next I have my chair, which is from IKEA. This one was actually gifted to me by my lovely friend Pamela, she was getting rid of it. She didn't need it no more. She's going to bring it down to the dump, and I said I'll have it because it actually matches my dining chairs which I have downstairs. So I absolutely love it. I was thinking of doing a DIY on it, maybe painting it grey or black, or you maybe just leaving it like this, I'm not sure. But on the chair we have these cushions. Now these cushions are from the White Company, and I got these in the White Company in their sale. I absolutely love them. They're so comfortable, so cozy. So next up I have my full length mirror, which is from a shop called Pound Stretcher. Yeah, so when I was buying this one in Pound Stretcher, they actually had this one. You can, as you can see, I don't know if you can see from there, but it doesn't have no mirror in it. So the mirror was actually damaged when I was buying this one. So I asked how much I can get this one for and maybe replace the mirror for it. I never got round to replacing the mirror, but I was using this as a prop for like photography work, and it worked out really well. But after lockdown and everything has calmed down, that's one other thing that I want to get for the office. I want to actually get the made to measure mirror to fit inside that frame, and then I can put this one back into my room and then use this one in the office, or vice versa. I think it was £10 I got it for, because the mirror was broken, and they're normally like something like £85. So I wouldn't even tell you how I got it home, but I got it home, you know. Okay, so coming over to this side now, I love this little area here, you know. This is my chest of drawer, which I've just converted into sort of office stationaries all in there. I just love this area up here because it's so minimalist. I've just got this basket here of all my camera chargers and my phone charger, battery charger, all that kind of thing. Now I've got this plant pot which I picked up in Aldi. That's also on my Homeware Haul. And then this plant as well, which is from Primark. Really love that, you know. I was so intrigued to find out what eucalyptus symbolizes, because there seems to be a lot of eucalyptus around at the minute. All the stores are doing faux eucalyptus. So I went on to Google, and basically if you have a bunch of eucalyptus and you burn it in certain places, it actually takes away negativity and it brings calm. So I think the whole eucalyptus thing, like having it in your house, again, is to take away negativity. So I thought that was quite interesting actually. So anyways, so I've got this one in the office, and this is from Primark, like I said. And then what I've done, I've been busy doing some printing on something that I'm working on, and it's turning out so well. This is one of the prints that I've done. Now this picture frame is from IKEA. It's the Bibber photo frame from IKEA. And what I've done, I've just printed these words in there, which I got off the internet. It says, your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will begin to change. I found this on the internet of a whole list of quotes of positivity. And basically what I did, I printed it out and I've just put it into a nice font. I've actually emphasized the mind with this lovely scrolly text. Really impressed with myself of how this turned out. I wouldn't say I was impressed with myself really, because I am quite artistic and I like doing all that kind of stuff. So anyway, so that's that there. And now I'm going to show you the other prints that I've done on the wall on this side. Oh my god, wait until you see those. These are the Hems chest of drawers from IKEA. I did have it sorted out, I've just done some printing like I said to you. So if you want to have a quick nose, everything is organised, everything's in its right place. Just got my pens there, some extra pens there, some notepads. So the drawers are all organised. That's the first one there. That one's all organised as well. And then the bottom one still needs to be a little bit organised, but I've just got a few items in there that I've got for a haul, so that's fine. Okay, then I've got my, I think I showed you the clock last time, but I got this clock from Pound Stretcher also. What I'm going to show you now is the last, oh no, I forgot to show you. Yeah, so in the last video, towards the end of the last video, I had a delivery for my new door handle, which is just here. Hubby has now fitted it on and I absolutely love it. It's filled in these little bits here today with some wood filler, and I've just got to sand it down and give like this area a little bit of a paint. I might give the whole door a paint, because you know what it's like, you touch up on the paint and it looks white but it's probably like gone off white, so I might have to do the whole door. I'm kind of avoiding that for now, but it, you know, it's all good. It's one of those ones that you can lock from the inside, so I can lock myself in my office and put my sign up, do not disturb, while I'm doing my filming. But today's been quite good actually, because Oakley has been downstairs with Daddy. They've been doing all sorts of things, sorting out the shed and all that kind of stuff. So I've had a little bit of time to get things done, which is great. So that's the door handle there, and this door handle's from Amazon, so I'll actually link it in the description box below. I did actually forget to show you my desk, how it's looking. Now, yeah, this is the desk that we made, so it's still looking great. The legs are still intact, and what happened here, I did actually put one of those child-friendly corner doodahs on here. I stuck it down with some Gorilla super glue, and while I was fixing the curtains I actually knocked it, so it kind of knocked it out of place and it's kind of chipped the wood. But when I paint the door, I'll just go over this with a little bit of white paint and I'm good to go with that. Next is this table lamp that I picked up in IKEA. Really like it because you can sort of bend it and you can have the light in different angles. The table that is on, they came as a set. And I got these in the charity shop before lockdown actually. And I wanted to do a charity shop haul, which I will do. So I did actually pick up some nice bits. I've left the best to last. I really want to show you the prints that I've done for this feature wall. I'm so happy how they've turned out. Really, really happy how they've turned out. I got the frames from Wilko. And I was so impressed with them, to be fair with you. I have ordered Wilko frames before, like a few years ago. I actually forgot how good quality they are. But these frames here are 11 by 14. They came with 2 photo mats. You can have like a 5 by 7 print, or you can have an A4 print. Okay, so these are the frames here. So the first one says life is beautiful. Then I have this, the Chanel No. 5 perfume bottle one. I absolutely love that. And then this one, it says the secret to happiness is letting every situation be what it is instead of what you think it should be, and then making the best of it. So I absolutely love those affirmations and those positive slogans. Turn out so well in here, and you know, the whole room is just looking great. One other thing I forgot to show you was just my throw here that I put on my Homeware Haul. This is also from Pound Stretcher. And then this candle, oh, let me sit down and tell you about this candle. Okay, so this candle was not originally like this. It was one of those lovely sand and fog candles from TK Maxx. When we were doing the office makeover, the candle broke, the glass broke, but the candle was absolutely fine. So we just found this bowl that we had in the kitchen. It's just like a cereal bowl. And then we put the candle in there for it to sort of burn. It's such a gorgeous scent. Every time you come upstairs and the office door is open, you can just smell that candle. So can't wait for TK Maxx to open for me to get down there to get some more of these candles, because I just absolutely love them. And that one was a Mother's Day gift from Oakley and hubby. This is the lid for it. The lid itself smells just like the candle. Really, really lush. So that's a good tip there actually, because you know, sometimes these candle jars, they break. You can just find a nice bowl or a nice jar to transfer it into and still use the candle. So so yeah, that's what we did. So that's it guys. I really hope you like this video. I've had a few people tell me that they were totally inspired by this office makeover. It's actually given them the inspiration to either clear out a spare room or an area in their house that they weren't using. And I'm just happy that I was able to do that, inspire you guys, you know. So yeah, so again, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next videos. So stay safe guys, keep well. See you on the next video. Bye.